Hi, it's Dargie here, and this is 5-Minute Photography. Today I want to talk about something people ask me about all the time, bulb mode. What is bulb mode, when should you use it, and how can it make your photography better? Before I get into it, let me invite you to subscribe to the channel, give the video the thumbs up, and head to my website grahamdargie.com where you can get my free ebook and find out all about what I do with photography, tuition, tours and safaris. Okay, let's get into it. If you have the camera in manual mode, and you turn the shutter speed dial to the slowest setting, you get to 20 seconds, 25 seconds, 30 seconds, maybe 60 seconds depending on the camera. Then you might see B or bulb. What is that? Bulb is for when you need a shutter speed that's longer than the camera's native longest shutter speed. Whatever the shutter speed is set to, when you press the shutter release button, the camera will open the shutter for the set amount of time and then close it with one click of the button. In bulb mode, as long as you press the shutter release button, the shutter will remain open, and when you let it go, it will close. Say you're shooting a long exposure using a neutral density filter, and you calculate a shutter speed of say 2 minutes. You can't set a 2-minute shutter speed in the camera, so you'd set the camera to bulb, press the shutter release button to open the shutter, hold it down for the 2 minutes, and then let it go to end the exposure. When you're shooting a long exposure, it's really important that the camera doesn't move during the exposure, and having your hand on the camera to hold the shutter release button down risks moving the camera. Try using a cable release or a remote release, which allows you to trigger the shutter without physically touching the camera. In summary, if you're shooting an exposure that's longer than the longest available shutter speed that you have, then bulb is the mode for you. Bulb allows you to open the shutter for as long as you like, and if you're shooting long exposures, whether it's with neutral density filters, astrophotography, light painting, fireworks, it's a great setting to have up your sleeve. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you took something away from that video. If you did, give the video the thumbs up, that really helps, and subscribe to the channel so you can see new videos as they come up. That's my 5-minute photography tutorials and my location videos from around Scotland. Enjoy your photography, take care, I'll see you out there.